Hey YouTube, it's Ashley MPG. We're going to see how far we can get with what we've got. And today we've got an exclusive case to Apple. So Otterbox has teamed up with Apple for this exclusive Lumen series case. Now you can get a Lumen series case through Otterbox or other retailers, but this one in particular is for the new year, 2023, the year of the rabbit. So these red and gold colors, as well as the rabbit, symbolize peace and success for the coming year. And so that's what really drew me to it. It's just something new, an Apple exclusive design that I wanted to show you guys. They make this one for the iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Plus, the iPhone 14 Pro, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The price point is the same across all of those devices, so that would be $49.95. I will link it down below, again, directly from Apple. So we'll go ahead and unbox the case here. So you have a really unique, just red, translucent design with the gold artwork on top. Here you can see the MagSafe ring there. And then I finally found the rabbit in the pattern. If you look closely, it's here. So there's a red rabbit just running through this way. Peace and success, again, is what this symbolizes, and I think we could all use some of that, so pretty excited about that. We have the Otterbox logo embossed right there in the side. You have a cover for your power button. You also have covers here for your volume, and you also have a cutout here for your audio mute or your toggle button there. On the bottom, you can see microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a cutout to plug in your charging cable. You have a cutout here on the back for your camera. So we're going to go ahead and put the iPhone in the case and see what it's all about. Okay, so right away you can tell that it has a fairly sleek profile. It looks like it's a really nice pocket-friendly design so that you could throw it in your pocket no problems. This one in particular is for the iPhone 14 Pro, so not the Pro Max, a great size for pockets. You do get a little bit of bezel around the screen, but not so much that it's chunky, but enough that you could lay it flat and not worry about anything on a flat surface touching your screen. Now, although this red color is translucent, the whole case is actually scratch resistant, so you don't have to worry about it looking bad over time. The sides, to me, do feel a little bit grippy, so it's not a slippery case. It does have a little bit of grip to it. Although it is smooth, you still have that rubber texture that really just grips with your fingers nicely. So on the back, just like there's this buffer for your screen, there's a raised section in the cutout that just surrounds your camera here so that when you do lay it this way, your camera is protected as well. So all of those lenses back there, as long as you're laying it on a nice flat, safe surface, should be good. Another thing that I really like seeing these companies do these days is to make these cases out of recycled materials. And this is one of those cases. It includes some recycled materials. Now they do offer a limited lifetime warranty and they say hassle-free customer service. I will say I've never had a problem with Otterbox, although I did email them about this particular case because I wasn't aware that it was an Apple exclusive. So I did ask the question, do you guys carry this or is it just exclusive to Apple? But anyway, I never got a response to that email. So when they say hassle-free customer service, I can't guarantee that and I'm not going to tell you that. That is what they say they offer. So I'm including that tidbit in this video just for your info. But on the other side, I can see if you place an order through their website and you have an order number and you can reach their customer service channels that way, you might be more likely to get a response as opposed to my just general question to them. Now I don't have the other end of my MagSafe charger plugged in, but I did just want to show you how it connects. So just like that, pretty seamless. Very basic, if I had to say. It's not gonna be like one of their super heavy duty cases, but it will get the job done. And if you're going for a new vibe in the new year like I was, you might wanna check it out. It's kind of different from what maybe a lot of other people have at the moment. It just came out. If you guys wanna check it out, obviously not being compensated for this video, I'm just leaving the link below to offer you the information. And Happy New Year, guys. Now that you've gone along for the trip, what's a few more steps? Hit like if you enjoyed the ride, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching.